my name is Colin Peters. I am a marketing manager at Diamond Aircraft, an Austrian-based aircraft producer. We are here at AERO 2024 on our lovely large stand, and I'm going to give you the quick tour to show you what we are displaying this year. So in this direction here, we have our prototype EDA40. E stands for electric and DA40 because it's based on our current DA40 model aircraft. This will be a fully electric circuit training aircraft with 2 or 3 seats. This is still the prototype. It's under development. We're hoping to have the aircraft available from the beginning of 2025. And we're working in conjunction with EPS on the battery system and Safran on the engine. So if we can see here, for example, the belly pod here is where the battery will go, also behind the motor, and then the Safran engine in front. We were extremely happy because the aircraft this year was voted #1 by readers of Aero Courier magazine as in the category electric aircraft. So thank you to any readers from Aero Courier magazine that might be reading. Over here, in this corner here, we have our DA42 demonstrator aircraft. This is a twin-engine, 4-seater aircraft, and what is particularly special for us this year is that we are celebrating 20 years of the DA40 aircraft. If we take a look on the engine cowling here, you will see that we have a lovely logo to celebrate 20 years of the DA42 aircraft. If we go in this direction here, something very special for this year. First time at AERO in Friedrichshafen, and only the second time at all, we have a demonstrator simulator, which is proving very, very popular with the public. It's a chance to actually step inside one of Diamond's very own simulator, flight simulators for training. As you can see, there's still quite a queue. It's based on the DA42 or 40 models, and we produce these for flight schools all around the world. Turning around here, we have one of our most popular demonstrator aircrafts with the public. This is a DA50 RG aircraft. This is our Tango Whiskey demonstrator with a wonderful design, which was designed by a British graphic artist called Kirk Smith. He was the winner of our DA50 RG exterior design competition back in 2019. As you can see, a very beautiful looking aircraft, and certainly a mean machine. And if we go around here, we'll see the last aircraft that we have on display this year. This aircraft we see in front of us here is our brand new DA62 demonstrator aircraft. It's another twin engine aircraft. The DA62 can seat between 4 and 7 passengers. As I mentioned, this one is brand new. This is the first time it's on display to the general public. And we have this lovely midnight green exterior and a Diamond premium grey interior, which you probably can't see from this angle. It's another twin engine aircraft, as I mentioned, with 2 AE330 engines. And what is special about Diamond aircraft and the engines that we use on our aircraft is that they are diesel powered, so jet fuel, jet A fuel to be specific, which makes them much more efficient and much more cost effective. So that's the Diamond stand this year. It was a pleasure hosting everybody here. We come to the AERO every 2 years with a large display, and we look forward to seeing anybody who pops by our stand 2 years from now. Many thanks.